By the side of the road I stopped, with a heavy chest, no direction. Dust rising, a tired soul, and silent screaming loneliness. A wounded heart lost at my feet, not knowing where to return. But it was in the coldest night of my soul that I heard your voice calling me. When I thought it was my end, your promise shouted inside of me. After the pain comes restoration. After the valley, your direction. You lift me up from the ground again and show me what I couldn't see. Tears fall, but they don't stay. Like the night before the country's sun, you restore what was lost, bring life out of what was dead. Heavy flawed answers with blues lids. No one saw my scars, only God with me on that ground, in the cold of a broken soul. Your grace was reaching out, the chains stayed behind. I hear the sound of freedom now. Today I walk a new road, standing firm in your direction. What was pain became a song, a living miracle in my heart. After the pain comes restoration. After the valley, your direction. You lift me up from the ground again and show me what I couldn't see. Tears fall, but they don't stay. Like the night before the country's sun, you restore what was lost, bring life out of what was dead. I know you never left me, even when I fell. It was your